Hi, welcome to Tech Grab channel. I'm Glory and for today's project we're going to be making some pictures to decorate the wall. Also, we're going to apply hollow laminate on top of them. The holographic laminate from Tech Grab is water resistant, easy to cut and peel, and long lasting. It also comes on different styles so you can create stunning projects. Today I will be using the heart, butterfly, and sparkle style. With anything else to say, let's get started. Here I am on Silo Studio and now I'm going to upload the images that I'm going to use for the photos. Once I'm done sizing down my images, I'm going to send all of them to print. Remember that when you send to print, always choose the type of paper that you're using and the quality on high. Now that I have my print design ready, I'm going to add the laminate. Here's how they look without the laminate, so you can see the difference. Now let's apply the laminate on top of the photo paper. For cutting my photos, I'm going to use the paper cutter this time. I'm not going to use my cameo. The size of the laminate is A4 and the photo paper is a letter size. So I'm going to cut the excess of the laminate. And now let's apply our laminate to the photo paper. I think I will use the heart one on this one, the stars one on this one, and the butterfly one on this one over here. This laminate is so easy to apply. We check that our photo paper doesn't have any dust. Now, let's take the paper cutter and cut our photos. Here I have my paper cutter, and now I'm going to cut my photos. Here we have the first one. And here you can see the before and after with the laminate on the photo paper. They look really beautiful. And now we're ready to paste them on the wall. Take a little piece of tape and place the photo on the wall, just like this. The final result of our photos using photo paper and holographic laminate. If you like today's project, leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!